guys, welcome back to my channel, and my channel's name is Queen Chai Style and I am Chaitra. So my today's video is going to be something very important, interesting and also very precious. And also guys, looking at my surrounding, you guys would be thinking what is she doing and where is she? So I'm standing in my terrace and shooting this video just to have a different changes in my videos, and there would be some noises behind. I'm really sorry for that, but I just thought of making something different in this nature. So yeah, today's video is going to be all about the skincare tips which you have to consider in your daily routine, and this is something which is basic skincare routine which you guys have to know it and you have to have that in your lifestyle. So let's not waste more time and let's get into the video. And also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as I post my new videos. So let's get started. So the first step is do not wash your face in hot water. Yes guys, if you are having shower, then just leave the part of your face and have warm water to your body, but not to your face, because it is a very sensitive place. And yes, of course, your face skin is more sensitive than your body skin, so you'll have to be very careful with your face. So do not use hot water. Not if you're not used to using a cold water, then you can go for a lukewarm water which is very mild and hot, so you can use that. Why we have to not use that reason is just because it removes out all your moisture from your face. So the natural moisture will be removed, and then you'll have a lot of problems after the natural oil and everything goes out from your skin. Then you'll have a very flaky skin. So just avoid hot water. And the second tip is do not wash your face frequently. Yes, you can never wash your face frequently, and a few people, like around 16 to 25 years of people, will be thinking that I have a very oily skin, I have to wash my face again and again, so my oil will be removed and I'll have a clean skin. But that's actually not the true, guys. So you'll have to never wash your face frequently. You'll have to wash it only twice or thrice. If you have a dry skin, just wash it in the morning and evening. If you have an oily skin, in between a day you can wash your face, but do not wash your face frequently. And moreover, if you keep on washing, your natural sebum will be cleaned up from your pores, and once it is cleaned, okay, that's not clean, it's going to get over from your natural pores. Once the sebum is closed, then you will never have a clean skin, and also the pores will be cleaned up, so all the dust and dirt will get inside, and then you'll have a pimples. So it's better not to clean your face, like wash your face frequently. So just keep it like morning once or evening once. Morning and evening must and should, but in between, if you want, like afternoons, if you feel that your face is very oily, if you feel that oiliness, then just wash your face in the afternoon. But guys, do not wash your face frequently. And the third step is you must use the moisturizer on your face no matter what you do. Whenever you wash your face or when you feel dry, you will have to apply a moisturizer. If you don't apply a moisturizer, then your skin will become very young, aged, and even when you're in young age, you will feel that your skin has the wrinkles. So if you don't moisture your face, you will have a dry skin. If you have a dry skin, then your skin will get into an aging skin. So it's better you moisturize your skin and never skip the step of moisturizing, because that is very, very, very essential. And guys, if you have a dry skin, if you have an oily skin, normal skin, what kind of a skin you have, no matter what, but market has all kind of a products, so you can use any products for that. Any means according to your skin type you can use the moisturizer, but never ever skip the moisturizing step in your entire life. even if you're 13 years, 10 years, whatever age it is, moisturizing your skin is very important, not only your face but overall your body, to keep your skin clean and neat. Moreover, your age will be feeling like you're younger. If you're around 25, maybe people will look at you like you're 22. So just 2-3 years difference you'll have if you never skip moisturizer in your daily basis. The first step is do not apply a powder to your face. Yes. Okay, so when you're applying a makeup, that is totally fine because you're applying a foundation, you're just using the powder to bake your face makeup, or you're applying a compact to just hold your makeup, but that's totally fine. But few people over there, they just don't even moisturize their skin, they just apply a powder onto their face and just let it. So that is totally wrong to do it, guys, because powder is something which is going to clog your face. Like you're going to apply under foundation, on top of foundation or a concealer, just to have it in a place. So if you apply a powder only on your face, then obviously your pores are going to get clogged, and once your pores is clogged, your skin will cannot be it cannot breathe up. And moreover, powder is something which is going to dry up your skin, and also even powder has that capacity to dry your sebum, which is very bad for your skin. And people who are applying makeup, I'm not worried about them, because they are going to apply makeup and they are going to remove it in some time, maybe 2-3 hours, maybe 8 hours or whatever. They know after applying the makeup, you have to remove by the end of the day. But people sitting at home, like people who are at home, housewives and all, they just feel like after applying a powder, my skin will feel like very bright and neat. So they just apply a powder and leave it. But that is totally a mistake, because powder is going to remove the extra sebum from your face, and it's just going to remove all the the sun is all the natural glow from your face. So do not apply powder when you're at home, or generally do not apply directly powder to your face. And also your skin will not be able to breathe up. So let your skin breathe when you're at home. So just stay naturally when you're at home, and I love this. So the fifth tip is, guys, do not apply a foundation before you apply a moisturizer, because applying a moisturizer is very, very, very essential. And if you apply a foundation directly to your face, obviously the natural moisture which you have on your skin will get dried up, and your natural moisture will get very bad very soon. So it's better you don't apply a foundation directly to your skin. Apply a moisturizer and then go to a foundation, because I have seen many people who are applying a directly foundation onto their face just because they are in a hurry to run to their college, or I don't think school children will use foundation for every day, but does college people do that? So skip this step. Skipping the step of moisturizing makes a lot of sense in your makeup as well as your skin aging too. So it's better you apply a moisturizer and then go to a foundation. Do not apply direct foundation to your face. Okay, so the sixth step is to, guys, do not steam your face frequently. And steaming procedure is done in everyone's house. Few use in the vessel, few use a plugging one, which is based of current. So steaming procedure is very bad to your skin. Yes, people do that because to remove their pimples, blackheads, whiteheads. But you can do this only after 15 days, like 15 days of gap, or you can also extend it to a month. That's totally fine. You don't need to steam your face again and again. So you just take your own time and then steam it. But guys, if you steam your skin frequently, if you steam your skin frequently, then you will lead to the natural glow will get out of your skin. Then you will have nothing left in your skin. You will have to apply so many creams, multiple of creams, but still your natural glow is not going to come back. So it's better you don't steam your face again and again, like every week, thrice or 4 times or whatever. Do not do that. So only steam your face 15 days once, or you can only steam it for a month, or even you can extend it to 1.5 months. It's totally up to you, but it's better you just keep the dates very long, like maybe after 15 days. So Yeah, and the seventh step, do not use your fingers to remove your pimples from your face, guys. That is the worst part, that you can do it to your skin, because your skin is something which is very sensitive. You cannot just put your nails is so hard to, if you disturb your pimples with your nails, then it's going to spread out, and moreover your nails, the mark which leads in your skin will stay for a very longer time. Like if you are doing this in your 16s, your mark will stay for more 50 to 40 years. So why do you want to do that? So do not spoil your face, guys. That is the only thing which people look at you. They don't know what you are, but your face tells up what you are. So better you keep your face, hair and all these things, good, and also try to do not use your nails to remove the pimples. So the eighth tips are, do not use a soap to your face, because that is very very harsh to your skin, because your face skin is sensitive, as I told you earlier. So your face skin is very sensitive. Do not use a soap, because all the soaps have a very harsh chemical mixed in it. So it's better you skip a soap and use a nice face wash, which also you get it like for dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, normal skin, all kind of skins you do get a face wash. So do use a face wash. Do not use a soap, but soap can be used for your body, because your body is not sensitive as your face skin is. And the ninth tip is, guys, if you're somebody who is using face packs to your face, then it's for you, guys. And I know everyone uses the face pack. So yeah, people around 16 years, usually those people only will have that craze to put this one, do that, do this and all, to get that nice skin. They do many kind of circuses. So yeah, if you're applying a face pack to your face, guys, if you let the face pack for maybe 20-30 minutes, maximum 20-30 minutes only, a face mask has to be kept. But before that, if your face mask will get dried, what will you do? You'll just let it stay out there. Your mindset is only to keep like 30 minutes, but your face pack is got dried up by 10 minutes. So now from 10 minutes to 30 minutes, it's going to give a dry look onto your face, and at the same time you'll be talking to people, having fun, using your phones, whatever. Okay, many people will also not even talk, because they know the consequences, because the skin will get aging and all. But if you are somebody who is keeping your face mask for 30 minutes, then do sprinkle some water. Okay, sprinkle some water or dab some water to your face. Do not let your face pack to get dried very soon. If in case it gets dried, but do not let it dry, guys, because once you get your pack dried up, then it removes the moisture. Again and again, your skin moisture is very important. The natural moisture which is producing, that is very important to your skin. So better you don't spoil the natural one and you're using a chemical one to get it back. So I don't know what kind of logic it is. So if you're keeping your face mask for 30 minutes, try to keep it wet till you wash, or maybe if it is very dry and if you wanted to wash it, then just go and wash it for 10 minutes. It's okay, it's just going to do its work in just 10 minutes also, if it has to do it. So do not keep your face dry pack and walk around, talk to people. Don't do all those things. So yeah, so here we are with the last step of my today's terrace video. So yeah, the last step is, guys, you have to use a sunscreen. Even if you're sitting at home, sunscreen is must and should in your lifestyle. You will have to use it. Even though if you're sitting at home, the UV rays will come through the window, or maybe if you're standing in front of the stove or gas or whatever, if you're cooking also, the steam is coming to your face. So just protect your face skin from the UV rays by applying a sunscreen, and also check out which sunscreen do you have to use, like SPF and all. So if you guys wanted me to let you know about the sunscreen, I will obviously let you know in my videos. Do let me know in the comment section if you want me to prefer a product. Yeah. So my last thing is, like, you have to apply a sunscreen no matter wherever you are outside. Even if you're sitting outside the balcony also, you'll have to apply a sunscreen. If you're sitting at home also, you'll have to apply. Not even like it shouldn't be like, okay, 5 minutes I'm going to sit here and come back. It's not about 5 minutes. Even 30 seconds is enough for you to get tanned up from the sun. So it's better to have these kind of precautions before you do anything. So have your clean and neat skin, and this is something which is very essential that I had to make it for you guys. I hope you guys would love this video, and also let me know in the comment section if you're doing any kind of a mistake in these things. Yes guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next best video. Till then, stay tuned and stay blessed. Also guys, if you haven't followed me on my social media accounts, which is Instagram and Facebook, do follow me. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as I post my new videos. And also let me know in the comment section your next queries, like what exactly do you want me to show you guys and teach you guys, or whatever you want. You can just ask me in the comment section. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye. Okay, so the fifth step is, guys, do not apply a direct foundation onto your face before you apply a moisturizer, because if you apply a foundation directly, then your skin is going to get even more dry, and you will have a natural moisture in your skin. Obviously, everything is naturally protected. So the eighth tips. So the eighth tips is tips. Oh my god. Yeah. Missing. Miss ho gaya. But anyways,